I've been working on a building with a hybrid steam and hydronic system. The boilers are steam and they provide heat to the hydronic system and a couple of fresh air intakes. There is a large intake for the hallways, for a commercial kitchen, and for the boiler room. The hydronic system heats everything else through a mixture of fin tubes and fan coil units. It serves 17 floors and 200 units at 80 psi. I'm not sure why the builders decided to go with the split system versus having everything be hydronic. Installation and maintenance are generally cheaper with hydronics, and fuel efficiency is generally greater. The building was built in 1978, and I guess that hydronic makeup air units may have been difficult at the time. In the case of low flow, low fluid temperature, or extreme exterior temperature, there may have been a greater chance of hydronic pipes freezing than a makeup air unit with a steam system. We do have a BIM system that will lock out the fresh air fans in the case of a low fluid temperature. Steam heat definitely has a place in process applications that require very high heat, or in very tall buildings that can't have boiler rooms at multiple different heights, but I think that it should be avoided whenever possible. There are trade-offs, but hydronics are generally better. Most of the HVAC industry is transitioning to point-of-use air handlers, and I like that from a maintenance perspective because it reduces single points of failure. Most of a building will stay mostly conditioned even with a couple of failed air handlers. Theoretically, there are centralized heat pump hydronic systems that may be able to achieve greater operating efficiencies with less embodied energy than decentralized systems, but this is difficult to achieve in practice. So putting PTACs in every room may be the future.